Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be switching up the platform from Redbubble and showing you how to post an image on another print-on-demand platform called Society6. If you want to expand your print-on-demand business to other platforms, then make sure to keep watching to see how you can upload an image to your Society6 shop. If you want to see more videos about other print-on-demand sites, feel free to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then also let me know in the comments below what sites you're on and what sites you'd like to learn more about, because I am on other sites, I just haven't really made videos about them because people have been focusing on Redbubble, so I'd love to know what you guys want to see and I will bring out more of that content. So a little fun fact for you guys before I get into this video, Society6 was actually my first ever print-on-demand platform that I discovered and that I was on myself. I actually had some good success with it after a couple months, and that's what led me to research other print-on-demand sites and eventually how I found out about Redbubble. But that being said, Society6 is definitely a great option and can definitely bring in sales. At this point, it's my second most successful print-on-demand site, so definitely worthwhile checking out and trying it out for yourself. So I'm gonna go into my own Society6 shop and then show you the process from start to finish of how to upload an image. But to be honest, I haven't uploaded an image there probably for at least a year, if not more, because they were doing a lot of updates, I don't know, maybe like 2-ish years ago, and it kind of ruined a lot of my products because the images became too small for the products, and so it looked bad because you could see a lot of the white borders, and it just discouraged me from posting more on there because I felt like my shop got ruined. So I have tried posting here and there, but I felt like the uploading process was definitely not the easiest and it kind of annoyed me. It wasn't as simple as Redbubble. So I quickly checked how to upload right now, and it looks like they completely redid the process, and it does resemble Redbubble's process a little bit more. So I think it has become a lot easier to use, which is why I'm going to, show you the tutorial so that you can go on there. Maybe you've also been discouraged in the past by Society6 because it was a bit of a hassle to upload on there, but they've revamped it. So yeah, let's check out what they have now. Okay, so on the Society6 homepage, go to that first icon in the right-hand menu, which is your account info, and then go to Manage My Posts. So once this opens up, you'll see all of my artwork. It'll show both images that you've already posted and ones that you have in your drafts for posting later. So it's pretty cool that way because you can kind of build up an inventory that you want to post. And now to add a new artwork, you just click that button on the top right corner. So this screen will pop up, and I think it's pretty cool because on the left hand side it shows all of the things you need to keep in mind when uploading. So the different files, the different sizes, the different types, so it kind of has it all there for you and it makes it really easy. So just out of curiosity, I clicked how large should my image be, and here it shows you all the requirements for every single product, and then it also shows you the recommended file specs for just a general image if you're trying to not change it for every specific item. So here it says we recommend starting with a 12,000 by 12,000 pixel at 300 dpi for a general square image to fit on all of the products. So that is what I'm going for. I'm definitely not trying to upload every individual image for items, especially not with this print because it doesn't make sense. So I ended up just making my image 12,000 by 12,000 through the Canva resizer, and I uploaded my image here from my desktop, and I'm just giving it a name now while it loads. So after it loads, just hit continue and it'll take you into all of the products. Oh, but first we have just an artist agreement. So just like Redbubble, you have to confirm that you're not copying this, it's your original artwork, all that stuff. And then of course, is it mature content or not? And just click no and then go next. So here you can see that it is similar to Redbubble because it just has that kind of on and off switch, and it shows you all of the products there. On the left hand side you have the classic title. So I'm not sure why all these didn't turn on automatically because I did put the right size that they said to. So I was just going through all of them and turning them on. So now I'm just going to fill out all the info on the left hand bar with the tags and all that. I already have the title. I just pick a category out of the options there, just like Redbubble, and then they actually give you some suggested tags, which is kind of cool because it kind of starts you off and it shows you what tags might be good. But after that I wrote some of my own, and you can do up to 20. So yes, I just did 20 because might as well use all of the keywords you can. And unlike Redbubble, it doesn't give you kind of a range of what you should be in. That's not close to the maximum amount they give you. So I thought that I would just try out doing all 20. And so this is where I kind of messed up, and I decided to keep it on screen just to show you guys what not to do. So after I'm clicking all of these on, so once I saved that, I went back, and as you can see, everything on the left hand side with the details is deleted, so I had to redo all that, but that's okay. At least I learned, and you guys won't make that same mistake. So now I'm just going through all of the other products and turning them on. It's actually really cool because Society6 has a lot more products than Redbubble, or even other sites that I've seen, and they're really cool products. I'm really curious to know how often those kind of products sell, like the furniture pieces, because those are kind of pretty big commitments to make for a site like this, but it'll be interesting to kind of do some research around those because I had not seen those products last time I was on here, and yeah, I think they really have a wide selection. Alright, so once you have checked everything off and made sure all of your details are on the side, all you have to do is publish your artwork. And it doesn't take you to a new page or anything like it does on Redbubble. It just changes the status at the top left corner to published instead of draft. So that's the confirmation that you get. And then I actually just want to go into the product markups because I wasn't sure if they were automatically changed to what I changed them last, and they were, everything at 40%, but if you have just the standard markups, you can go into there and change it. And I don't think that all products can have markups on Society6. I think it's only on some types because the other ones are just standard 10%, I believe. Alright, so now I just went into my shop to see if it's there, and it is not. It does say usually I have to wait around 15 minutes, so I'm just going to wait and see if my products show up. Alright, so after about 15 minutes, here are my products. They're all showing up on my shop, and they look really good. I'm really happy with how this design turned out on pretty much all the products. I think it looks really good and fits the Society6 artwork vibe. Just clicking into one of my tapestries here and just going through it and seeing what it looks like. Unfortunately, the pictures weren't loading, but yeah, you get the idea. And yeah, that's kind of all it takes to upload on Society6. Alright, so that was the complete tutorial of how to upload an image from start to finish on Society6. Let me know if you guys are on there and if you guys have had good success with it. I feel like it definitely is a bit of a different platform than Redbubble, and you can take, I guess, a different approach to it. I can go more into detail about a Society6 strategy on another video because I think a lot of the artists on there have a different approach to it than people on Redbubble or other sites. So I think that just deserves its own video, but yeah, I'm gonna try to post more on Society6 as well. I'm highly considering just honestly like scrapping this store that I have or just leaving it be and starting a new one with like clean designs that actually fit all the products properly. So I'll keep you guys posted on that and see how it goes, but I'd love to see if you guys are on there. Let me know in the comments below and just your experiences with Society6 because yeah, it's a great site and definitely has a lot of potential. I also feel like Society6 is maybe more known than Redbubble, or at least when I started it was, because a lot of people that I talked to back then, they actually knew what Society6 was and people didn't really know what Redbubble was, so maybe it's changed since then. I haven't really talked to people about it recently, but yeah, Society6 seems to be like a site that people really know of and I guess trust, so definitely worthwhile checking out. But that was it for my tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try Society6 out for yourself and let me know how it goes. If you want to continue supporting my channel and also learning more about print on demand, then subscribe to my channel below and give this video a thumbs up. As you can see from the stats here, a lot of you guys that watch still aren't subscribers, so I'd really appreciate if you guys did subscribe because it really helps out and support my channel, and if you're watching my content anyways, then why not subscribe? That's all I have for today though, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!